Here we have a 1999 Lexus RX300 lost key situation. Basically, the customer lost the keys. There's no key codes or no keys on site. This was purchased used, so the locks probably was changed because there's no key codes for it. Basically, on this one, we already started taking the computer out, so we can go ahead and reflash the computer, figure out what the key is from scratch, and program it up. We'll come back in a little while with this thing running. If you want, for those of you that are out of the state, you can take the computer out for me, ship it to me, ship me a door lock, preferably the passenger door. I can make you a key, pre-program the chips in the keys, and send it right back to you. I'll come back shortly. Alright, we're back at this Lexus. We just finished making the two keys. It should keep nice and smooth, spring action. I finished programming the ECU. As you see, security lights still flashing. Here's my chips up here. We put one of the chips inside the key. This is going to be the moment of truth. Alright, key in, turn. Security light went out. And just now started. See the RPMs moving. So you need us to come out, generate the keys to these Lexus, especially the early models. Give us a call. We can come out. Like I said, there's a computer over there. I still got to button that up, but basically this car is done. If you're outside of the Georgia area, you're going to have to pull the ECU, send me a door lock, send me the proper documentations proving that you own the vehicle, and I can do what I need to do on my end and ship it back to you. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Go to the website, www.acmlocksmith group. And these are what the chips are. So basically, we prep the chips, and then we insert them into the keys. And that's about it. Thank you. I just wanted to make sure that you was okay. You know, nobody's going to see your face because I got my screen blocked on my phone, so nobody can see your phone number. But
oh yeah, ain't no problem.
basically, you know, was you happy with what I did for you?
Yes, sir. I mean, it was a great service. I got online and looked it up, and I thought it was going to be next to impossible to get a key made.
I mean, when you got home, was you able to plug the computer back in and then the car started up, or what was the deal?
Yeah, as soon as I got home, I put the computer in, those 6-foot clips up, put the key in there, and it crawled right up.
Okay. Yeah, I figured no news was good news, so I was just calling you, checking bases with you.
Yeah, man, I got to call back. So,
Okay.
can't beat that. ACM is where it's at.
All right, I appreciate it, man. You know, if you need me, call me in the future.
Okay, bro.
All right, man, thanks.